Welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cocktailing with Cannabis. Today, I'm going to make a wonderful, bittersweet, very refreshing cocktail, perfect for these fall moments. I've been playing a lot with Luxardo Bitter Bianco lately, so let's figure out how we make this. I haven't decided a name for it. Maybe you can leave one in the YouTube comments. Perfect. So the first thing we're going to do is just add in 3 cucumber slices. Second, I'm going to add in a ½ ounce of our infused simple syrup. If you haven't found out how to make infused simple syrup yet, go ahead and click the card up here now. So a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Then we're going to do about a ½ ounce of lime juice, or of lemon juice, my apologies, and freshly squeezed is always better. So about a ½ ounce right there. That's fantastic. We'll put that off to the side and use it for another drink. And then the star of our cocktail is this Luxardo Bitter Bianco, a great spin on classic bitters. You know, it being white is always very beautiful and a much nicer thing for when you're cocktailing and you don't want those red colors of your classic bitters. We'll add some ice. And we'll shake. And we're going to want to serve this in a Collins glass. We're going to add a few slices of cucumber right to the bottom of the Collins glass. Make sure they lay nice and flat. We'll go ice all the way to the top. And then we are just going to strain out our mix. Perfect. And then we're going to top it off with some Prosecco. Make sure you're using a Prosecco. We need that lively, fresh fruit flavor. Very easy to open Prosecco if you don't often. You never want to bang it. Leave it at a 45-degree angle. Hold the cork. Twist the bottle very nice and gently. And just let it wisp like that. We're going to top it to the top with Prosecco. We'll let our bubbles settle. I like to do a nice slice of grapefruit. Perfect. We'll express it around there. Make sure that you get those nice oils and everything drinking nicely. Run it down the side and back to the top with Prosecco. Perfect. So that's how we make my new Bitter Bianco invention. Let me know what you think we should name this cocktail, but absolutely delicious. A little bit of cucumber, a little bit of grapefruit. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next week, cheers.